Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get sample products on the Alibaba application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Then click on manufacturers at the top of the screen, and now scroll down till you find the get samples section, and here if you scroll to the right side of the screen you can select from these categories, so click on the relevant one that you are interested in. Now you should select from these results, tap on the relevant one, scroll down till you find this sample section and tap on get sample. Here you should select the quantity, size it up or down. As you can see, there's only one bag in stock, so tap on the start sample order button down below. Now it will be added to your cart. You need to add your shipping address first, such as your contact name, phone number, street address, country, region. Select your tag and then tap on the ship to this address button and then confirm this sample order process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.